studying third standard. Today I go to speak with Subramania Bhattacharya. Subramania Bhattacharya was a poet, freedom fighter, and social reformer. He was born 11th December 1882 in Yetipuram of Thuthukudi district, present-day Tamil Nadu. His father name was Insami Iyer and his mother name was Lakshmi Amma. He was called Subbaya. In his childhood, he started writing poetry at an age of 7. He became one of India's greatest poets. He was known as Mahakavi Bharatiya. He got the title Bharati for his excellence in poetry. He translated Bhagavad Gita, Vedic hymns, Patanjali's Yoga Sutra into Tamil. Bhattacharya was supportive of women's rights and fight against the caste system. He died on 11th September 1921 due to the injury he sustained for a temple elephant. Thank you.
மிக சிறப்பாக பேசிய நமது பாரதியார் அவர்களுக்கு கைத்தட்டுங்கம்மா. அப்படியே உட்காந்து தூங்கிட்டீங்களா?